Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display and brightness. As you can see right here in this kind of highlighted options, we've got the eye care. So this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it. And here we will have to, first of all, turn it on in order to actually be able to customize it. So let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see, from now on the screen is kind of yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. Now, what's more, thanks to this, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode is the best for you. Let's begin with the intensity. As you can see here, we've got the switcher. Thanks to this, we can set the cooler option, and I mean, this mode is still visible with the coolest option, but it is much less vibrant. And we can go to the warmest, to the right, and as you can see right now, it is almost orangish. What's more, we can custom the schedule if we want to. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and then your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. And I believe it is location based, and here we've got the custom schedule, which simply means that we can pick the start and the end time. But let me turn it off. And here what we've got more, the device location needed to determine your sunset and sunrise times. As you can see, that's what I just told you in the schedule option when I was explaining everything. And here you can turn on the location, you can manage the app location permissions, location services, and so on. Basically, this is the whole customization of the eye care eye comfort mode, and I forgot to say that we will start with it, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So in order to, after of course whole customization, in order to have much faster access to this option, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the icon eye care. As you can see, it's right here. So basically, in order to turn it off, you have to tap on it, and basically the same situation when you want to turn it on. So just tap on it, either to turn it on or off. So basically that's all. This is how to manage the eye comfort mode in your Infinix Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.